So today we are going to learn about how to use a simple switch, or simply called as SPST switch, within the easyEDA.com. SPST simply means that single pole and single throw. So we need to click on this SPST push button or switch, and also we need to make our window a little big so that we can properly see it out. Okay, our component has gone, so we need to uh, put it in the middle, and then we need to zoom it out. Okay, it's gone to 500. We just needed around 200. It's enough for us. Okay, now with the help of this switch we can make any sort of load on and off. So we can go for our lamp. So this is our lamp, so we can connect our switch with the lamp, and this is 12-volt lamp. So we also need our power supply, that is the DC power supply with the uh, lamp and switch. Okay, now we need to change the voltage of the supply to 12-volt DC. Now you know that we cannot change the state of the switch directly, but for what we can use this tab, that is open and close, to change the state of the switch. So now we will make it close, and then we will run our circuit. Okay, we need to save it out. They said saved, and now okay, now our is our bulb is not having any sort of any mated portion, so we will measure the voltage across it in order to see that either it is on or off or whatsoever it is. Okay, so we will measure the voltage across our bulb. Okay, now we will run it out. Okay, it has a voltage drop of 11.83 volt here. One more thing, that if you want to open the switch or off the switch, then we can see we are getting nearly equal to 0 volts drop out here within the lamp. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use our switch or SPST switch within the easyEDA.com online simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.